What an iconic track. Bristol Motor Speedway. I mean, this is the house that Dale built. This is NASCAR country, but we're doing burnouts, having fun.
It's getting crazy, it's getting dark. You see the Type S lights. We got the Rivals and the Pro going on. It's gonna get wild, so keep watching. Woo!
Yeah! Wow! Let's go, Bristol! Wow!
Love to see the dash cam of that, and that's why you have dash cams.
I gotta say is I'm glad we had those dash cams because there's some live action in them puppies.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be insane seeing the replays all over the internet tonight.
Man, I wanted to finish so bad.
Oh my God! He hit that wall so freaking hard.
What's going on, guys? Mike Power here. We're here at the Bristol 1000 with Type S. We're looking at all the cars and all these crazy Crown Vics that are going to be racing in the Bristol 1000, 100 laps on the Bristol NASCAR track here. So let's check out the cars. We got the Type S Crown Vic here, stickered up, looking awesome. Larry Chen's going to be driving this. So let's check out the car. I want to show you the dash cams inside. All right, so now we're inside the Type S Crown Vic, checking it out. These things are just gutted, old cop cars that they just made race cars, but we're checking out the new Type S dash cam. This is a two-sided dash camera. So you have a camera in the front that shoots in 4K quality, and then you have a rear-facing camera that shoots in 2K quality. But the cool thing is every single car that's racing here this weekend has this Type S dash cam in it. All right, so we're down here in the infield of the track for the open pit party. Check out all the awesome cars. These are some of the cars that are gonna be in the Burnout Box later, the Type S Burnout Box. All the lights gonna be around the barriers. It's gonna be mixing with that awesome smoke. It's just gonna be a sick spectacle. Can't wait to see it. We're having a good time.
I smell like a lot of tire smoke.
All right, guys, so we just finished up the Rivals Burnout competition, and now we're getting into the pros. This car behind me is looking insane. Look at the size of that motor. This is what we've all been waiting for. This is gonna be the true Type S Burnout competition experience. This is what's gonna close out the night. We're super excited. Today's been amazing. Now let's watch the pro cars go. It's day 2 here at the Bristol 1000. We're here with Type S. Today is race day. We're gonna see all these Crown Vics do 100 laps on this track. It's an open pit party. We're hanging out. We're seeing what the people are into today, what's gonna go on. It's gonna be a wild day. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's get after it. Woo! All right, we're down here for opening ceremony for the Bristol 1000. We're gonna go check in with Larry, see how he's feeling before we get started with the race. Let's go get him. Larry! Larry, you're so busy. You're supposed to be thinking about winning the race, and you're out here filming.
It's so funny because I went over there just to take a bunch of selfies with all of my idols that I've followed for so many years. And then I'm like, all right, I look back, somebody else is moving my race car. So, I mean, it's just one of those things, you know, I've said this time and time again. I cannot tell you how many thousands of pictures I have of most of these people, including yourself. And it's just so weird. Like, yeah, it's just so weird.
Well, how you feeling about the race? Are you ready to get in the car?
Yeah, so I got in the car, I did my qualifying laps, which were my practice laps, and it really blew me away how much grip these actually have. And I was too scared to do like a full throttle, like all the way around. I was too scared to do one whole lap full throttle, but I could tell that it can actually take it. And I talked to Cleetus, and he said he did one lap full throttle, no lift. So I kind of have to work up to that, and I feel like once I put some heat in the tires, maybe I'll be able to do that.
So I feel like each lap, the confidence is going to build up. You're going to get into your spot. You're going to feel more chill and go for it.
Oh yeah, it's going to be good.
Dude, well, we wish you the best of luck. We're so excited that you're doing this. I can't wait to watch you do well. What do you got? That's what I'm talking about, Type S. That's why we're here. Yay!
Jackson and Jimmy. That's not a good sign of smoke. Last night he smoked it up.
Oh, look at that. Nick Seuss about gets spun out, but Kevin, hard contact at a turn 2.
Our current leaders.
Oh, wow.
Let's go hard into the wall. We are.
Oh, wow. Lots of carnage. Lots of carnage here.
Boy.
My Lord. Coming out of turn 2.
All right, so as you can see behind me, the Type S Crown Vic got to a bad wreck. Luckily, Larry is okay. This is obviously not how we wanted to end the race, but the car's looking like it's not gonna keep going. And yeah, what a wild ride.
Man, I wanted to finish so bad. That's it.
We wanted you to finish too, but we're happy you're here, you had a good time. Well, that's the Bristol 1000, baby. Till next year. Woo!
Bristol 100.